Hello, welcome to the University of Christian Indonesia. I'm Patrick William and I'm from English Literature and Languages, and I'm here to introduce you to three amazing faculties that are shaping the future. The first one is the Faculty of English Language and Literature, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, and the last one is the Faculty of Law. Let's start with the Faculty of English Language and Literature, where I study. So, if you guys are passionate about languages, stories, and cross cultural communication, this is the place for you. Here, students study literature, from Shakespeare to more global works, while also mastering the structure and function of English. And here, we also learn linguistics, translation, and even creative writing. It's a blend of art, science, and expression. Oh yeah, we also have a computer lab where we study about languages. And here we have some artworks from the subject we study, as you guys can see here. Some study programs at UK have also achieved international accreditation, such as from FIBA, which is my faculty has. In here, we also have a library that you can read books and you also can bring it home. As someone in this faculty, I can say it really builds your confidence, not just in speaking English, but in understanding the world through language. Graduates go on to become translators, teachers, writers, and even diplomats. Next, we have the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. It is perfect for those who dream of becoming inspiring educators. In here, students are trained not just to teach, but to lead, to motivate, and to innovate. The courses focus on curriculum development, child psychology, and digital teaching tools. But what's the best part in this faculty? The real teaching practice, where you go into schools and actually teach. It is challenging, but so rewarding. The concept of this faculty is similar to the English literature and language. They have a mapping for news and picture of them, of what activity they do, and some classes. Ruang kelas hybrid pendidikan kimia, which is physics education, and they also have practical center. And here's some of the facilities that they have in their faculty. So here's the tour. Enjoy! Oh yeah guys, also this faculty prepares students not to become a school teacher, but education counselors or guidance counselors, curriculum developers, educational administrators or school principals, private tutors or learning consultants, education researchers, content creators for digital learning platforms, and policy makers in the education sector. Graduates are limited to working in traditional classrooms. With the rise of technology and innovation in education, our alumni are finding careers in e-learning companies. And finally, the Faculty of Law, where passion for justice meets academic excellence. The Faculty of Law at University of Christian Indonesia is one of the university's most respected faculties, committed to producing legal professionals with strong integrity, analytical thinking, and deep sense of justice. Here, students learn how the legal system works, from civil and criminal law to international law and human rights. It's not just about reading law books. We also participate in moot court simulations, attend legal seminars, and sometimes assist in real legal aid cases. If you're someone who believes in justice and wants to make a difference, whether as a lawyer, judge, or public servant, this faculty gives you the foundation you need. The students here study a wide range of subjects, including civil and criminal law, constitutional law, international law, business and corporate law, and also human rights law. Graduates of the Faculty of Law have many career options, such as lawyer or attorney, prosecutor or public defender, judge after passing national judiciary exams and training, legal consultant or corporate legal officer, notary, human rights advocate or NGO worker, civil servant, or government policy advisor. What sets this faculty apart is its commitment to both legal excellence and moral responsibility. Yeah, that's it. It's not just about learning, it's about growing, leading, and serving. So, are you ready to start your journey with us? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.